So again, so we're using the wall. So trick, since light is here, try to maximize it. Favor your face towards here. But I'm shooting from this side. Do not put your butt close. Okay lang, but if you do this, okay, upper body is away from the wall. But sometimes, pwede rin ito. Butt is outside from the wall. Okay? So yan, pwede natin galawin to. Boom. Yan. Medyo hindi ko lang kaya kasi medyo matanda na po ako. May tummy po ako ngayon. So meron din tayong sideways. Ito kasi masyado nang masikip pag ganito ginawa mo eh. But if you do this, further away from the wall, lean. Boom. And then you put your leg here, oh. Ganyan-ganyan lang. My body towards there kasi my light is here. Tapos once in a while, you look at the camera and then you put your head there. Yan. And then eto, kamay-kamay, oh. Pwede mo paglaruan. Okay? Alright, let's try to do this. Get your most natural position. Love that. Few more. Okay?